Information about timber market in Switzerland. Switzerland is a country with a relatively small timber industry, and as a result, most of the timber consumed in the country is imported from other countries. The Swiss timber market is therefore heavily influenced by international market trends, as well as by the country's own policies and regulations. In 2020, the Swiss timber market was valued at approximately 5.5 billion Swiss francs, $6 billion USD, with around 7.5 million cubic meters of timber consumed. Of this amount, around 75% was imported, with the largest suppliers being Germany, France, Austria, and Italy. The Swiss timber industry is mainly focused on the production of high-quality and sustainable wood products, such as furniture, flooring, and construction materials. The country also has a strong tradition of using local timber for construction, with many buildings made from Swiss timber, especially in rural areas. The Swiss government has implemented a number of policies and regulations aimed at promoting sustainable forestry practices and protecting the country's forests. For example, the government provides financial support to forest owners for the management and maintenance of their forests, and has established strict guidelines for the harvesting of timber. Overall, while the Swiss timber market is relatively small compared to other countries, it remains an important part of the country's economy and cultural heritage, and is likely to continue to play a significant role in the future.